7:59 a.m.
Team building activities.
Yep.
I was gonna say, we just saw a soda can and see if it'll.
Here's the spray can right here. Here's what?
Yeah, it'll be okay. So I don't want it super loose either, you know?
Yeah, they'll just teeter totter.
Right. And you can fit a ton in there. Compared to normal?
Just to get a height of it?
Yeah.
That's one.
But I don't think it'll be too tall. No pun intended. No pun intended.
Well, this is 2-inch.
Yeah.
What if we just got a 3-inch piece on the back side and welded it on?
Of what?
Of this plate. Come all the way out, weld it all in. You know what I mean? Then it would hang down and cover the inch to the axle.
Yeah, I'm trying to understand what you want to do.
I'm just trying to get this section out so it doesn't hit going in and out of the trailer. The longer this is, the easier it's gonna. Does that make sense? A link of chain, so we can hook to it to tie the back down.
Or like D-rings?
Yeah, they're gonna be D-rings, right? Measure your new pieces. I wouldn't cut anything off till that frame's done and you got all your pieces made to sit on top of this.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because if you cut here, you won't see any of this from the outside edge.
Right.
You know what I mean? Run this all the way back, put a crossbar here inside the tires, and put your, or you know what? Just make it come all the way back and it'd be like a little bumper. So something can't run into the toolbox.
Should we build like a tube bumper?
Yeah.
Wish we had that. Maybe it's like a super tight fit. Oh, I think we should round. It'd be cool to round these corners.
Oh yeah. Look more slick.
Yeah, well, when you look at it, so it's not like a sharp edge.
Yeah.
I'm actually kind of excited how it fits good in there. Yeah, it's a little weird.
You just cut a little bit of this. Ooh, so close.
Let me see. I don't, because it just needs to pass this line a little bit, so I might have other stuff. But I'm saying to speed it up, do you want to cut this apart?
Yeah.
So.
Roughly, you know.
Whatever, yeah.
O'clock midnight.
Yeah, it's a little tight.
Or we'll just
Yeah, we can pick it up.
pick it up and then.
This would go in first.
No, this isn't the part I was.
Moment of truth. No, keep going. Ah!
That barely cleared.
Yeah, at least go again. See how close you are. We have like an inch of clearance.
Really?
Yeah.
Cool.
Tomorrow.
I think we should at least give this 3 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to not have it dry and have a bunch of fingerprints all on it.
3 hours later.
Yeah. Yep.
I think this is fine.
Is it? Hard to turn?
It would be different with all the
I
weight.
think, but
Yeah.
and when you have your handle
Yeah,
out
you
here.
got more leverage.
So now we just...
You have to make the handle.
Slide this over more. Is that fitting?